Hello, everyone. Welcome. Today we are going to talk about creating a location that can be a building, a hotel, a pension, and others. You will learn how to create listings inside a location. To do that, we need to click on the Listings menu and then the plus listing button. Here you must select the listing type, if it is a hotel, a building, an apartment, or another. Now, fill out the internal reference field and click Next. Let's begin with the Location tab. Here you will fill out your address. Down below there is the Address-Related Photos field, in which you can add photos to the external part of the listing, such as buildings photos, swimming pool photos, barbecue grill photos, etc. In this section it is not necessary to insert inside photos of the listing. In the Surroundings and Attractions field, you can insert the attractions or attractions in the surroundings of the location. You can choose the attraction type, add the name and the distance in kilometers or meters. Now let's go to the address amenities. It is similar to the individual listings, but in this one we will configure the amenities of the entire location. Just select the options and then save it. On the right side, there is a 24 front desk, express check-in/checkout, and there is a self-check-in in which the guest can do it all alone, but this option is valid only for Airbnb. There is also the parking, wired internet and Wi-Fi internet. In the descriptive content you can fill out some information about your listing. The internal name is already filled out, but you must put the title and the address description. There is some text field here and above them you will find tips about how to fill it. It is also important to pay attention to the listing status. When we create a listing, the status is draft and then you need to turn it active. Besides, there is the camera icon up here. By clicking on it, you can add your listing's main photo. Inside the location, there is a tab called Listings. When you click, you can see all the listings that are inside. In the Listings tab, you can create your listings. Creating on this button, just fill out the options that the system will inform. After finishing that, you will be able to make some changes. Let's use this as an example. By clicking on the plus add button, you will be able to create a group, extend availability, and duplicate the listing. Now let's see how each option works. First, go to Duplicate. Clicking on this option, you will just create a copy of this listing. Let's choose a different name and save it. The system created an identical listing as the first one, but just with a different name. Let's create a few more examples. The duplicate option allows you to speed up the creations process of the listings. If you have similar listings, just create the copies. After that, you will need to access the description part of the listings to insert what is different among the listings. And remember to activate the listings. Now let's create a group. This option is used for similar listings, that means, the one that has the same service and pricing, however are different in the structure. This option is often used for administrators that work with room categories, such as standard, deluxe master, etc. For that, we chose a listing to be the parent and we indicate which listings will be part of the group. Besides, it is necessary to choose a name for the group. When you save it, the group will appear here. It is important to remember that the listings will be linked to price level. So if you make a change in the prices of the parent listing, this change will be automatically done in all the listings of the group. Now let's create the clones. This option is used for identical listings. This means that they are similar in structure and prices. Select the parent listing, click on the plus add button and choose the extend availability option. Indicate how many clones will be created, choose a group name and insert each clone name. When you save, the group will appear here. It is important to remember that the cloned listings will copy all about the parent listing, such as the descriptive part and photos, description, address, pricing, etc. If you make a change in parent listing, this change will automatically happen in all of the listings group. To finish, let's see how this structure will appear on the calendar. Go to the general calendar. See that both in the cloned group and in the price group, the system will show that the listings are linked to the parent listing of each group. If you want to access more information about the subject, click on the link in the description below. See you in the next video.